Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this fun eyeshadow Shadowsense look, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I'm hopping on to do a fun eyeshadow look using Shadowsense. If you have never heard of Shadowsense, Shadowsense is an eye cream it's an eyeshadow that's an eye cream that turns from a cream to a powder in 60 to 90 seconds. You have 60 to 90 seconds before it sets into place. Once it's set into place where you want it, it is smudge-proof, crease-proof, waterproof, anti-aging, hydrating, layerable, buildable, and so many good benefits for your skin. So I did this look off camera yesterday for my workout, so I'm gonna try to get it as close to as I can. I already started out with my candlelight as my base. It is a peachy undertone that cancels out any redness, any discoloration, any blues, any veins. It is so good. And I also use it for my concealer. Yes, we have concealer, but I will put a link down below so that you can shop this Shadowsense eyeshadow look or any eyeshadow. Yeah. So, and once you click on that link, it's going to take you to another page where it says my distributor's name at the top. That's totally fine. Scroll down to shop now, and it will come up with all of these bubbles. And then you go down to eyes, you pick out what you want. If you need help with colors, you can directly message me over on my Instagram account at redesign16. Please be kind in your words. But once you have all the shadow scents that you want, and I prefer to start out with a base, so candlelight if you're a medium tone, or if you're light, fair light tone, I recommend Sandstone Pearl, but I've used either or. And if you prefer a peachy undertone that cancels out any redness, any blues, any veins, I would go with candlelight. So once you have everything you want added to the cart, you go to checkout. Scroll down. Right before you check out, there's a little box that says Kiss and Tell preferred customer. Click that box, you get 10% off all your purchases all year round. Now, that's only if you live in the US. If you live outside of the US, like Canada or England or something, and you want to use my link, message me over on Instagram, and I can still help you, because there's a different way to do it. So, started out with candlelight. I think this one is sold out. It's called the iced coffee. I am going to put this all over my lid. I will never go back to regular store-bought eyeshadow. I just won't. Even though you have 60 to 90 seconds, I wait to go in a little bit before I pat it in. And yes, you do want to pat it in if you're using multiple colors, but if you're just doing a one and done, then you can swipe it. Or if you want to swipe instead of pat all the colors, you're going to end up blending them. It's just your preference. I like to pat them. That's how I learned, and that's how I've been doing it, so I'm going to stick to that. So, going in with the Real Technique eyeshadow dual brush, I don't know, say it. So I don't know if all of these colors are in stock. I'm pretty sure. The only one that isn't in stock is the iced coffee. So, because that was in the ice neutral palette. Is this a lip tint or a color? I found one I like that I want to use, but I don't know. So then I'm taking this Fiery Coral Shimmer, and this was in clearance. Usually they run $22. And one thing about these are they're super nice, because once you are dry to the bone, there's a little stopper right here that you pull out with tweezers and you get 20% more of product. That is amazing. All of our makeup is cruelty free, vegan free. It's not tested on any animals, doesn't have any animal products in it. It is amazing. It's gluten free and made in the US. So I'm taking that Fiery Coral and I'm just adding it to the outer corner. Yes, this may seem like a lot, but these shadows, like most people don't know, these shadows are a cream to powder, like I said, but they are very, very blendable. So that's the good thing about them. So I really like this color. I actually use it for blush. So I'm gonna use a different brush. I really need to clean my brushes. So I'm just gonna leave it. And if you think that it's too light, you can go back in and do it over. You can also use Shadowsense for your eyeliner. So now that I did it over here, I'm going to take it on the lower lash line right here. And a lot of times I don't pat it towards the end because they'll still stand out. They're very pigmented already. And like if you're scared of a color that is super bright, like this one could be bright, a little bit goes a long ways. So I might add a little bit more to make it a little bit darker. So I'm going to do the same thing on the lower lash line. Typically, I don't do the lower lash line because I don't really know how to make it stand out, but practice makes perfect. Then I'm going to go back in with that iced coffee that I started with and put some all over my lid. And I'm gonna take this is a really old e.l.f. foundation brush. I got it at Kmart, and around, like, most Kmarts are closed. So that says a lot. I think that you can still order online from Kmart. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, and I only paid like $1 or $2 for it. So now I'm going to take I think I did this one. This is Bella Shimmer. Just kind of just putting it all over my eye. It makes it look, in the mirror, it makes it look red, like super red. I really like this. I got it as a gift for free. Like, I had no idea it was in the package. So, and I ended up really, really liking it. Also, I could use Bella Shimmer. I think I am gonna use Bella Shimmer for blush. And I'm going to use a blush brush. See how it came out compared to that side? I don't know about you, but I can do a look in like 5 minutes off camera. So, and a lot of people have told me that I've known, I just don't have time for makeup. Like, trust me, you do. Even if it's a little bit of skincare, you do have time. Like, trust me, take 5 to 10 minutes to yourself. And trust me, a little bit of makeup or skincare goes a long ways and you'll feel better about yourself. Like, trust me. So, yeah. So now I'm going to take the Real Technique brush. I'm just kind of blending it all together. And I told you, I like to pat it. So I might have to go back in to that fiery one. Just patting it, patting it, patting it. If you hear that noise, it's a lawnmower going. The lawn is being mowed. So there's that. The thing that I love about these is it's smudge proof and like budge proof. It will not budge. Like where you put it, it will last all day. So now I'm going in with this Stone Shimmer. It's kind of a dark gray purple. And I'm just putting it in the inner corner of my eye. It looks so pretty with this. Oh, I thought I put my mascara in the little thing of water, but I didn't. I put it in my shirt. So, okay. Okay, so now I'm not even going to pat that. I'm just going to leave it. So I am going to go off camera and do my lash primer and my lash waterproof mascara from Synergens. If you're looking for something to grow your lashes, this stuff, as I almost dropped it, this stuff is amazing. It will grow your lashes 46% in 1 month. That is amazing. I've never used false lashes. These are my real eyelashes. I have really long eyelashes, so I don't really need lash primer and lash sense mascara to grow my lashes, but I have noticed a huge difference. So I'm going to go off camera real quick and come back. Oh, yeah. I forgot to do my eyeliner. So I'm going to do that with and I'm going to use our Eyeshadow eyeliner pencil. It is smudge proof and waterproof, and this stuff is amazing. So, you know, I like to do a lot of eyeliner. That's just me, right? And I like to put the mascara over top. That's just me. It's all about your preference and what you like, right? Okay. So, kind of going back and forth, kind of tight lining. Well, tight lining would be picking, like, going like that. I don't know if I want to do that. So, this eyeliner is the best eyeliner, and it lasts like 5-6 months. A little bit goes a long ways. So now I'm going to go off camera, do my lashes and my mascara for you guys. Come back. Okay, so I did 1 or 2 coats of this mascara. You can do up to 3 coats of this mascara. This mascara is waterproof, especially good for in the summer if you're gonna go swimming. And I actually got a new one. But the last thing I want to do is add, this is Pink Opal Shimmer. I added Pink Frost yesterday. It's like a matte of this. It has no shimmer. And then I'm going to take it. You can add Snow Shadowsense. That would actually work perfect. Perfect. You know, like that little video. I don't know. It's on Instagram or something. So, that is the last thing. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I really like it. I'm not going to do my lips. I'm going to do them off camera for another video to show you guys, because I found something, and I think I said it in a video. I found something that is new to me. It's been out for a while, but I wanted to try it out. So I'm going to finish up here and come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm back with a fun eyeshadow Shadowsense look, and this is how it turned out. I have not done my lips, but I really like it. I'm so glad I did this on camera to show you guys. I don't know, I just love all of the colors together. I think they work really well. So please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so that way you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.